Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload Reels from PC/laptop. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. Sign into the Instagram account you want to upload your Reel to. Make sure you already have your Reel file ready to go. Once you're signed in, look to the left side and click on the Create button. Then click on Post. This will open the Create New Post page. Now, click on Select from Computer and locate your Reel file. Select it and click Open. You'll see a note saying that video posts are now shared as Reels. If your account is public, anyone can discover your video, remix it, or download it. Your video will start cropping automatically, but if you want to keep the original format, go to the bottom left, click the Crop tool, and change it to Original. Once you're happy with the size, click Next in the top right corner. Here, you can choose a cover photo by dragging through the video or uploading an image from your computer. You can also trim the video and turn the sound on or off. When you're ready, click Next again. At the top, you'll see the option to add a caption. Type whatever you want, then optionally add a location. You can also check the accessibility settings and advanced settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Share in the top right corner. Your Reel will start uploading, and once it's done, you'll see a message saying your Reel has been shared. Close the window, go to your profile, and you'll see your brand new Reel there. That's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.